Get in, close the door.
Alright, man, see, let's. What we doing? This is what we're gonna get into today. Tannerite. 4 pounds altogether. And this is what we're gonna explode. It is still available. So that's what we're gonna go pick up. Alright guys, so today, or I think I already recorded a clip for this video, so earlier, last week actually, so it's a week later than when I filmed the first clip of when I was gonna get this bear to blow it up with Tannerite. And that's what we're gonna do today. So yeah, we got the bear. I don't know what's actually like legal to blow up with Tannerite. Put a post on Instagram saying to let me know of anything, like to do a quick video before I just blow it up, but no one's responded yet. I'm wearing It's Just a Six merch, YouTuber with a Mustang that's fast, 2 Mustangs that are fast, a lot of fast cars. Don't lose sight. Oh yeah, and I got this right here, little reminder. See if you can pick it up on the camera. Do what makes you happy. Cutting it open. Alright guys, so right now, what's going on is we're gonna try and see if he could fit in the bear. Go ahead, do something.
Wow.
Alright, yeah. Something like that. Yeah, that stuffing looks nasty. Oh, it has like a solid pillow in the middle. Yeah. That's where 4 pounds of Tannerite's gonna go.
Yeah, make eye holes for me now, buddy.
No, it'll look bad with eye holes.
I promise you it won't. I'm just gonna cut out the eyeballs.
Alright. You're not gonna see though.
Huh?
You're gonna have to push up all the way against it.
It's fine.
Alright.
If I die, I die.
Let's see it. Who's this YouTuber? Give him a shout out there.
Huh? What's it?
Lunkers TV.
Lunkers.
Shout out.
Like fishing, go watch Lunkers.
Yeah.
A little X.
Just go from the inside.
Come on.
That might help. Stab it out. It looks so bad on camera. Alright, we'll get them all cut up. We'll get in the car. Get off the car. What the? I thought I splattered you.
Get in, close the door.
Alright, man, see, let's. What we doing? Where's my friend at?
I ate him.
What's your name, bud?
Smokey.
Smokey ate him. Oh gosh, I zoomed in on accident. Smokey ate AC50. I don't know how to clickbait this, but we'll find something.
Right there?
Yeah, to the right.
Okay.
No, you're good.
If only you knew how much I could
You're
actually
good.
see.
Go straight real quick,
You
and then yeet it left. Now yeet it left.
Okay.
All the way left.
I can't see.
Alright, go to the right. You gotta angle it going down, so.
Am I good?
Yeah. Where are you taking me, man?
I'm not.
He doesn't even let me rip his car like this. You got the hairs all over your mouth. Oh, man.
Let's blow this mother up.
Yeah, let's go blow him up. This is where we're gonna do it. The base of that hill. Sorry, little buddy. Gotta adjust him a little bit. There we go. I think I'm gonna adjust it, fine tune it, make sure it sticks out, and then I'll come back. Nice El Paso day. Zero that? Alright. Can you see him down there? Teddy? Or whatever his name is. Let's see if you can see, and if there's crazy wind noise that it's not even gonna. Alright, he's out there. And so got the Tannerite mixed up, placed them out there, should be ready to go. And then just zeroing a 22 right now that I bought a while ago, and then that's when we're gonna shoot it. And my Bagara that I got, has its scope. It was set up for like a mile, and then last time I shot, I'd never kept track of my adjustments that I was making when I was shooting those watermelons and stuff in the last video. So I'm just gonna have to guess, honestly. Ready?
Come left some? I really can't tell where you're hitting. So let's go fix it so I can see the target.
Alright, let's get this. Not working because, like I said, he's gonna just pull it out and then set it next to the bear in front.
Hold it, hold it.
Can you even see anything in this? Oh, yeah. Wow, that's really good. Bye, buddy. I'm gonna go standing them up proper. That's 2 pounds of Tannerite. Oh my gosh, that's sick.
I didn't get to watch it, bro.
We'll both watch after.
I just saw fucking fluff in the sky.
Dude, me too. I went to put my eye on it to make sure I could see it. That was lined up, and then poof, I felt it, dude.
I was like 1.5 pounds. Imagine 4.
Yeah.
This fool thought 4.
We should have done 4.
No, bro. You can go blow something else up.
Yeah. Next video, give me an idea. Or if I see something cheap on Facebook again, I'll just blow it up anyways.
50 million likes, we blow up my Mustang.
There you go. You want to see his Mustang blow up? 50 million likes.
You gotta buy me doing that.
I'm not monetized yet. I need like 1,000 more followers or 4,000 more. Oh my gosh, look at the spread on that. Oh man. Cleaning this up is gonna suck. That's why we brought trash bags though. No! No! Is that his leg? That's his leg over there, I'm pretty sure. Gosh, he blew his leg off. Bro, we could keep the head. Go get my scissors, bro. We're keeping the head.
Just bring it back
for a prank.
That's
oh
funny.
my gosh, let's go. Dude, hold on. Blew up like, you don't even see like on the ground where it would have blown from, huh? I would have thought it'd leave like a clear...
It was up there, bro.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. No, it had to be right here because it poofed out right here.
I had the...
Damn. Oh, there's some fur over there. Jeez. Really?
That's the board I used to prop it up with.
Dang. Right there. Taking him back. We're gonna use his head for something else. Drive-through prank or something.
One of those?
Yeah, I'll shoot it to him. These guys over here shooting too. We're just gonna get the old pistol, take some shots with them. Make sure they're still good.
Check out that king.
That monster down there. That's pretty much it for this video. Now we're just gonna have some fun. Pistols. Practice. This video is gonna come out either after or before some break video, but go check out the break video too that I'm gonna have. Yeah, that's it. Oh, I think I said 100 views. 100 views, and the girl that I bought the bear from, because she gave me a good deal, it was 20 bucks, and that's a pretty big bear. Like all the other bears on Facebook were 80 bucks or more almost. So I was like, hey, if it gets 100 views, I will give you another 20 bucks on Venmo. That's how I figured. So share this, get it to 100 views, give that girl 20 more bucks. And yeah, peace. There we go.
Shout out, it's just a 6.